Hello all, welcome to the Southern Flavor Kitchen, where everything we cook is full of flavor, baby. So today's video will be a Thanksgiving budget haul, and I will let y'all know the prices of everything and my total that I spent. Some things I have on hand, so I did not include that because I'm sure that some people will have that in their home. So we're going to start over here. We have fresh green beans, cornbread, 1 onion, we have cream of chicken and cream of celery, we have turkey gravy, cream cheese, celery, cornbread stuffing mix, ground cinnamon, imitation vanilla, turkey gravy, if I didn't say that, brown sugar, sweet potatoes, red potatoes, and we have chicken legs and chicken thighs. If you like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, hype this video up. Hype me up. If you're new to the channel, seeing this for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Once you do so, click the bell and set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Let's get into our Thanksgiving budget series. Alright, my flavor squad. So we're going to go through the prices of everything. Then we're going to move on to the first part of our Thanksgiving budget series, which will be the green beans. So we're going to start with our onion. And the onion was 94 cents. And all these items came from Walmart except for the chicken. So the onion, 94 cents. The cream of chicken and the cream of celery was 70 cents a piece, so therefore $1.40. The cornbread mix was 87 cents. Our sticks of celery was $1.97. Our turkey gravy was $1.88. Our sweet potatoes that we have here was $2.48. Our red potatoes in the back was $3.68. Our brown sugar was $1.97. Our imitation vanilla was $1.92. Our stuffing mix was 97 cents. Ground cinnamon was $1.32. Our cream cheese was $1.56. And our fresh green beans was $2.47 each. So therefore a total of $4.94. And our chicken legs was $4.74, and our chicken thighs was $3.88 for a grand total of $34.52. So $34.52. So this Thanksgiving budget video can be done plus tax for under $45. You don't necessarily have to buy a turkey. You can use chicken or whatever else meat you want. So I just want to do a budget video to show people that, hey, you can do Thanksgiving any kind of way you want to. You don't have to necessarily do a turkey or a ham. And we all know that the prices of turkeys and ham right now are currently through the roof. So why not substitute? You can do turkey wings, whatever your heart desire. So yes, once again, $34.52 plus tax for everything. So under $45, you got you a nice Thanksgiving dinner. And this will feed roughly 4 to 6 people. 4 to 6 people. I don't want y'all to think I said 46. You know, sometimes I get to talking fast. But yeah, I just want to share this part of the video with y'all. Welcome to the Southern Flavor Kitchen channel. And this will be part 4 of our Thanksgiving budget meal. And we'll be doing candied sweet potatoes. And here are all the ingredients we'll be using. We have sweet potatoes, brown sugar, butter, water, vanilla, ground ginger, nutmeg, cinnamon, salt, and syrup. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, hype this video up. Hype me up. If you're new to the channel, seeing this for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Once you do so, click the bell, set post notifications to all. That will be notified when I upload a video. Let's get into our candied sweet potatoes. Alright, my flavor squad, so we're going to start on the sauce for our candied yams, candied sweet potatoes, whatever you want to say. We're going to go in with a whole stick of unsalted butter. We're going to go in with 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1/4 cup of syrup, a 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, and a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. One teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of water, and we're gonna let this melt. When this starts to melt, I'll be back. Okay, so we back. We allow our butter to melt, and we mix everything in, and we let it come to a boil for 2 minutes. So we're gonna take this off the heat, and we're gonna move on to the next step. So y'all stay tuned. All right, so I didn't want to bore y'all to death. I peeled and cut up my sweet potatoes off camera. We're gonna add them into our pan. And here, we're just gonna add a little bit of salt to our sweet potatoes. We're gonna mix it up. Because we use unsalted butter. And now we're gonna add a little bit of brown sugar to the top of our sweet potatoes before we pour our sauce. Alright, so we have our sweet potatoes right here with a little bit of salt and a little bit of brown sugar. We have our candy sauce right here. We're gonna go in with a little bit of vanilla. Well, this is imitation vanilla. I have the real deal, but I'm doing this because it's more budget friendly. So we're gonna add a teaspoon, and we're gonna mix it in. Okay, so we're gonna pour our sauce over our sweet potatoes, and we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees until they're fork tender. So we're gonna pour our yams here. We're gonna pour our sauce over them.
I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you by the hand and lead you to the dance floor. Girl, it's our time, just you and I. Don't run, don't hide. No.
So we're gonna cover these with aluminum foil and put them in the oven at 350 degrees once again. And around the 30-minute process, we're gonna take them out the oven, stir them up, then put them back in the oven and let them finish cooking all the way.
Baby, let me love you, and baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you move. Baby, let
All right, I'm gonna show y'all what our candy sweet potatoes look like. They smell good.
you, yeah. Come on, girl. Yeah, I've loved you so long. Give my heart, give my soul. We shared our hopes and dreams.
All right, so that's our candied sweet potatoes. I'm about to show y'all everything put together. Then we're gonna make a plate, try it, and close out this video for our 5-part friendly Thanksgiving budget series. All right, my flavor squad. So we have 5 dishes for our Thanksgiving budget friendly video that we spent under $45 for everything. So I'm gonna show you everything. We have our cream cheese garlic mashed potatoes, our southern style green beans, our candy sweet potatoes, our oven baked chicken, we have turkey gravy, and we have our chicken dressing. I'm gonna fix up a plate and show y'all what everything look like. Then we will close out this video for our Thanksgiving series. Alright, my flavor squad, so we have everything on the table. We're gonna plate it up and show y'all what everything look like. Got about taters here. We're gonna go over to our yams. Look at that. That's extra candy. We're gonna go with our chicken. Alright, my flavor squad, so I'm gonna give y'all a famous close-up of our plate for our budget-friendly Thanksgiving series. We have our southern green beans, cream cheese garlic mashed potato, our dressing, our chicken, and our yams. Alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, hype this video up. Hype me up. Y'all already know the saying. Pops, I'm out. Peace.